All right, guys, it's day 9 of hitting tennis ball over the house with a golf club until one of them catches it. Chief, break. Koba, good job. All right, guys, day 9. Here we go. And for day 9, we're going with the 9-iron. So I feel really good about it. We just got to put it right over the tip of the house. It's just solid contact. Ball. Shot 2. Everyone in the comments, relax. I got it. I know you guys are saying mean stuff. Yesterday, shot 3, he almost caught it. See, I feel good about this one. Number 5. All right, shot number 6. Shout out Yogurt. Yogurt's a cat in the window. Here we go. Shot number 6. Okay. 3 more shots. Listen to the comment section. Keep the head down. Don't move the front foot. If I was gonna break a window, it was gonna be on that one. That guy just gave me a thumbs up and saw me almost shatter my window. Shout out Yogurt, who's fearless. Okay. All right, well,